first let us understand the concept. Now see here, suppose for example, assume that I have a series and all the numbers in the series are 20. For example, there are 3 numbers in series and assume that all the 3 numbers are 20. If all the 3 numbers are 20, what will be the average? Average is sum of the quantities by number of quantities. 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Right? Average is 20. Now, everyone listen, pay attention right now, sir. What I will do is, I will increase this first number by 3. It becomes 23. I will decrease it by 2. It becomes 18. I will decrease it by 1. It becomes 19. Now what is my average? Average is again 23 plus 18 is 41. 41 plus 19 is 60. 60 divided by 3 is again 20. Average is again 20. Or in simple language, can I say that there is an increase of 3. There is a decrease of 3 to nullify that increase of 3. Right? So average still remains the same. Right? Now that is one thing. Continue. Suppose I increased it by 6, for example. It became 29. I will decrease by 4. It became 14. I will decrease by 2. It became 17. Now what is my average? My average is till 20 itself, because increase of 6, decrease of 6. That means, if can I say like this, sir? Everyone pay attention right now. Can I say like this? My average happens to be 20, right? My average in each case happens to be 20. If I have to get my average as 20 in each case like this, how many such series can I form it? I can keep on forming unlimited or infinite number of series. Increase it by 8, it becomes 37. Decrease it by 5, it becomes 9. Decrease it by 3, it becomes 14. This again will give me the average as 20. That means, if I want to get my average as 20, I can keep on forming unlimited number of series or infinite number of series. But out of all the series which I will be forming, the most easiest series is making all the numbers in the given series as 20. This is the most easiest series, sir. I don't have to increase or I don't have to decrease. In simple language, there is no headache for me. Easily I can make all the numbers as 20. That means, can I say that if my average is 20, make all the numbers in the given series as 20. If my average is 20, make all the numbers in the given series as 20. Vice versa is also true. If all the numbers in the given series is 20, my average also will happen to be 20. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. Suppose for example, if I say that the average marks of all the 120 students, the average marks of all the 120 students watching this class is 90 marks. The meaning of this is, make all the 120 students get 90 marks. First student 90, second student 90, third 90, fourth 90, 120th student also will be 90. Now, this is the concept what I explained you just now. How beautiful this concept is, sir. Using this simple concept, some of the tricky questions can be solved in the most easiest way possible. Let us solve some very good questions in the next 45 minutes of our class using this concept of, if average is x, make all the numbers as x. Or vice versa is also true. If all the numbers in the given series is x, then the average also should be x. I believe that the concept is clear for my students. Now see here, sir. Let us start solving problems. I will repeat my statement again before I move on to the problem. The concept what I discussed is, if average is 20, make all the people or whatever the quantity it is, make all the people as 20. This is what I discussed and I proved you with an example also. Now see here, sir. Let us solve some beautiful questions based out of it. Let us first start with some easy questions using this concept. Slowly we will scale up the level. First listen carefully, sir. Now first statement is, The average of 3 numbers is 17. What is the meaning of average of 3 numbers is 17? Make all the 3 numbers as 17. That means there are 3 numbers A, B and C. All the 3 numbers are 17. A is 17, B is 17, C is also 17. So A plus B plus C will be 17 into 3 or 17 plus 17 plus 17. Can I say that it is 51? First listen to this carefully, sir. It is 51. And read the next statement. And that of the first two is 16. First two numbers are A and B. Average of first two numbers is 16. That means first number is 16, second number is also 16. Or in other words, A plus B is nothing but equal to 16 plus 16, 32. Find the third number. Find the value of C is your question. Now see here, sir. Can I say that A plus B value is given as 32 in the question? 32 plus something should give me the answer as 51. 32 plus something should be equal to 51. What should be that something? That something should be 19. So C value is 19. This is by using equations, which I will call it as method 1. Method 1 is also a good method. For some of the problems we will implement this method only, so that we will not fumble in our problem solving. But there is also a beautiful method. You decide which is the better method for you people, right? Method 1 follow it or method 2 follow it. Ultimately intention is to get the answer very fast. Now I believe that my method 1 is clear for you people. Now see here, sir. Please observe carefully before I move on to method 2. Now method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Do not write anything. First listen carefully. Same logic I will implement. Same logic. What is the first statement? Average of 3 numbers is 17. That means there are 3 numbers A, B and C. Average is 17 means make all the 3 people 17. Right? This is what I learned from the concept. Right? Make all the 3 people 17. Now, what is the next statement? And that of the first two is 16. First two numbers average is 16 itself. It seems. That means A and B average is 16 means make both of them as 16. Right? Make both of them as 16. Now, find the third number is the question. C value I need to find. Now, think logically, sir. Can I say like this? According to this statement, A value is 16, B value is 16. But according to this statement, A value is 17, B value is also 17. They are saying that A and B should be 16. But here it is given as 17. 17 rupees is there with A, but it has to become 16 rupees. Give 1 rupee for C, right? Give 1 rupee for C from A. It became 16. Similarly, B also has to become 16. 17 rupees is what B is having. Give 1 rupee for C. B will become 16. That means A and B became 16 in both the cases. So, C got 2 rupees extra. So, C value should be how much? 19. How beautiful you can think logically, sir. How beautiful you can think logically. Did I use any equations here? No, I did not use any equations. We will make use of method by 1 by using equations also if there are more variables like 10 to 12 variables. But when there are smaller, only 3 to 4 variables are there. This method also is so beautiful. You decide which is the better method for you. My role as a teacher, I will teach you multiple directions. I hope idea is clear, sir. Method 1 is equation based method. Which textbooks will have it? Method 2 is probably I can term it as ANC methodology, which is a logical way of problem solving. First comment for this easy question before we move on to next question. Next question. Now please see this question. Again, method 1, method 2. Method 1, method 2. Listen carefully, sir. The average temperature for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday was 40 degrees centigrade. Average is 40 means all the 3 days it is 40. Average is 40 means all the 3 days it is 40. That means Wednesday is 40, Thursday is 40, Friday is 40. So total is Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday is 40 into 3. It is 120 degrees, right? It is 120 degrees. Similarly, second statement is the average for Thursday, Friday and Saturday was 41 degrees. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday is 41 degree average means all the 3 days it is 41. So it is 41 into 3. It is 123 degrees, right? Read the next statement. It is 123 degrees. Now read the next statement, sir. Your next statement says, if the temperature on Saturday was 42 degrees centigrade, what was the temperature on Wednesday? Temperature on Saturday's temperature is 42 degrees it seems. Wednesday's temperature is how much they are asking. That means Thursday plus Friday plus 42 is equal to 123. So Thursday plus Friday is 123 minus 42. It is nothing but 81 degrees. Substitute it here. So Wednesday plus 81 is equal to 120. So Wednesday will be 120 minus 81. This will give me 39 degrees, right? This will give me 39 degrees. That means answer for this question is Wednesday is having a temperature of how much? 39 degrees. This is my method 1, which is also a good method, but wherever possible we will try to avoid this method, which is actually given in almost all the textbooks. I believe the idea is clear, sir. Now listen to method 2. Same question. Please listen to method 2. See here. Method 2. Okay, this is the question. See here, sir. The same question whatever I solved by using equation. Let us try to avoid equation and let us try to solve it logically. Now see here. Method 2. Average temperature for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday was 40 degrees. Wednesday is 40. Thursday is 40. Friday is also 40. Listen carefully. This is the meaning of average is 40. Now what is the next statement? The average for Thursday, Friday and Saturday was 41 degrees. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is given that average is 41. That means all the 3 days it is 41. Right? All the 3 days it is 41. But can I say that? Think little logically, sir. Okay, what is the question? If the temperature on Saturday was 42 degrees centigrade, what was the temperature on Wednesday? Right? If the temperature on Saturday was 42 degrees centigrade, what was the temperature on Wednesday? Now see here. Saturday, I wrote it as 41, but they are saying as 42. That means I need to get 1 more rupee. Friday, if he lends 1 more rupee for this person, Saturday will become 42 according to the question. So Friday will become 40, right? Friday will become 40. Now here also Friday is 40. Here also Friday is 40. They are in sync, right? They are in sync. Can I also say like this, sir? Can I also say like this? Here Thursday is 41, but here Thursday is 40. You should make it as 41. If I want to make it as 41, take 1 rupee from Wednesday. If I take 1 rupee from Wednesday, Thursday became 41. So Wednesday became 39. First method is best. Yes, sir. It is up to the individual. You can decide upon which is the best method. It all depends upon individual. So let us not worry about which method is best for whom. Ultimately, intention is to get the answer very fast. That is our whole intention. Method 1 is also a good method, sir. In fact, if it is having too many variables like 10 variables, better is to use method 1 because distribution will be very difficult at that time. Why did you? Let me see. See here. Think logically, sir. Let me write one more time. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It is 40, 40, 40. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is 41, 41, 41. But question says Saturday should be 42. So take 1 rupee from Friday. So this became 42. This became 40. So Friday is 40. Here also Friday is 40. They both are synchronizing. Right? They both are synchronizing. Now Thursday here is 40. But Thursday here is 41. Make this 41. Take 1 rupee from Wednesday. So Thursday become 41. Wednesday become 39. Next question. Balender, you can apply this method to everywhere, sir. But I suggest you when there are more number of variables, like 10, hold on, I will come back to that problem. That is what I request you patience. When there are more variables, this is not the best method. Why? Because we need to have so much of distributions confusing. Now, Pramod, why from Friday only you are taking? Because I know that Friday it should be 40, right, Pramod? Friday it should be 40, right? So I am taking 40, I am making it 40, so I am taking from it. Hold on. Have some patience, I will come back to that question, sir. Wait for some time, sir. Now please see this question. Another variety of question. So okay, what is the question? The mean temperature, mean is nothing but average. The mean temperature of Monday to Wednesday was 37 degrees centigrade. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the 3 days it was 37. So it is 3 into 37, which is 111. And of Tuesday to Thursday was 34 degrees. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, average is 34, means all the 3 days it was 34. So it is 102, right? It is 102. If I solve this, if I simplify these two equations, if I subtract these two equations, Tuesday and Wednesday will get cancelled and it will be left with Monday minus Thursday is equal to 111 minus 102. It is 9, right? 111 minus 102 is 9. Read the next statement. If the temperature on Thursday was 4/5 that of Monday, temperature on Thursday was 4/5 that of Monday. Can I say that Thursday is to Monday is equal to 4:5, or Monday is to Thursday? Monday is to Thursday is nothing but 5:4, right? Monday is to Thursday is 5:4. What was the temperature on Thursday, right? What was the temperature on Thursday? Now everyone pay attention, sir. Monday is to Thursday, the ratio is 5:4. The meaning of this is, according to the ratio, Monday it is 5 degrees centigrade, Thursday it is 4 degrees centigrade. According to ratio, Monday is 5, Thursday is 4. According to question, Monday and Thursday they are subtracting. Here also subtract. According to the ratio, Monday minus Thursday is 5 minus 4 is 1. According to ratio, difference is 1. According to the question, difference is 9. 1 is becoming 9. Multiply by 9. 5 also multiply by 9. 5 into 9 is 45. 4 also multiply by 9. 4 into 9 is 36. They are asking you the temperature on Thursday. Thursday is nothing but this value 36. Answer for this question is 36 degrees centigrade. This is again I refer to as method 1. I believe that the idea is very clear for you people. Using equations. This also is a good method, sir. I never said that method 1 is not a good method in this caselet, sir. This is also one of the good methods, but my only request is don't write all these equations and waste your time solving two equations. Rather make use of this ratio concept, and I have taught you so difficult questions in ratios so that these all questions will be very easy for you. Answer is 36 degrees. Answer is 36 degrees. Bashu, can you repeat the question? I'll repeat the question in the way you can understand it, but anyway I am solving method 2, Bashu. In that I will repeat the question. See here, method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. You can use method 2, you can ignore method 2 depending on your comfort level. Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Method 2. The average temperature of Monday to Wednesday was 37 degrees. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, average is 37, means all the 3 days it is 37. That is my conceptual learning, right? All the 3 days it is 37. And that of Tuesday to Thursday was 34 degrees. Tuesday, Wednesday and then Thursday it is 34. Average is 34, means all the 3 days it is 34, right? All the 3 days it is 34. Now think logically. Next statement says, if the temperature on Thursday was 4/5 that of Monday, Thursday is nothing but 4/5 of Monday, right? Thursday is nothing but 4/5 of Monday. Now what is your question? Question is, what was the temperature on Thursday? That means this value they are asking. All the options are whole number options. That means left hand side is whole number, right hand side should also be whole number. If the right hand side has to become whole number, this 5 should cancel out. That means Monday value should be a multiple of 5. Then only it will happen. Monday should be a multiple of 5. If Monday is not a multiple of 5, this 5 in the denominator will not cancel and right hand side will not become a whole number. I believe that you are understanding. That means Monday as of now is 37. Either it should be 40 or it should be 45, or it should be 35 also. Let us take little higher values going instead of going back. That means, can I say that Monday it should be 40 or 45? Now again think little logically, sir, right? Again think little logically. Can I also say that it should be 40 means another 3 units I need to take from Thursday and Wednesday. 3 units means I should give in equal means it is 1.5 decimal I will get. So I will not make use of decimal. So I will not take 40 because 40 means 3 units are required. 1.5 probably equal ratio. So I will take 45. Let me make Monday as 45. 45 means I need to have another 8 units for this. 8 units means make this 4 units. Take 4 units from Tuesday and take 4 units from Wednesday. If I take 4 units from Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday becomes 33, Wednesday also becomes 33. I believe you are able to understand. That is the reason I said you decide the methodology which you are comfortable. With practice you can solve this little faster, right? I made it as 33 and 33. Now Tuesday is 33 as of now, but here Tuesday is 34, right? Here Tuesday is 34. Can I say that I will make it as 33 by giving 1 to Thursday? So if I give 1 to Thursday, here it becomes 33. Wednesday also is 33, but here it is 34. Give 1 to Thursday, so this also will become 33. That means for 34 I will add 2 units. Thursday should become 36. With practice you will definitely love method 2, and I am a fan of method 2, sir. I am definitely a fan of method 2, and it comes only by practice. Do not expect you to create miracles without struggling, without giving effort, without practicing. That will never happen for any person in this entire universe. I know that Monday should be a multiple of 5 because I want to cancel this 5. So 37 can be made as 40 or 45. But if I want to make 40, I should get 3 units from Tuesday and Wednesday. 3 units equally divided is 1.5. So I will not take it. So next thing is I will make 45. That means 8 units to be added for Monday. So 8 unit means 4 taken from Tuesday, 4 taken from Wednesday. If I take 4 and 4 each, 37 became 33, 37 becomes 33. Tuesday is 33, but here it is 34. Take 1 rupee from Tuesday and give it to Thursday. It became 33. Take 1 rupee from Wednesday, give it to Thursday. It became 33. Thursday became 34 plus 2, 36. Mayank, answer options definitely will help you out. Answer option definitely will help you out. That is also one of the very, very beautiful method what you said. But because I am discussing this kind of problem solving, I am just taking it into consideration. Why? How choose 40 and 45? I chose 40 and 45 because this 5 should cancel out in the denominator, because the right answer should be a whole number. So Monday should be a multiple of 5. So Monday I can take it as 35 or 40 or 45 or 50. So I will not go too much beyond. 35 eliminated. So I tried with 40 and 45. Shravan Kumar, I believe that it is clear, sir. Just listen to few more questions.